There is something important I want to talk about in this video, and that is the myth and the misconception about solar energy and battery that people shouldn't believe. There is a whole lot of misconception around solar energy that people have believed over the years without finding out the real truth about the whole stuffs or even try to question things. But in this video, I will give you 5 myths and misconceptions about solar energy and battery that you shouldn't believe. Number one misconception is that solar panels only work when there is strong sunlight. This misconception is false. Solar panels convert light into electricity, not heat. Therefore, during daylight hours, irrespective of the weather condition, solar panels can be able to generate power. Beginning from early morning hours to late evening, solar panels will be able to produce power within this time frame. Whether rain is falling or there is cloudy weather or there is anything that is reducing the sunlight intensity, solar panels will be able to produce power. What happens is reduced energy production. When the light intensity is not much or the sun is not facing the solar panels directly, you will experience reduced energy production from your solar panels, but not that your solar panels won't produce energy at all. Number two is solar energy can't handle heavy loads. This is a very misleading misconception because solar energy can handle any kind of loads, including heavy loads like air conditioners, air compressors, electric cookers, water pumps, welding machines, and so on. The limitation is not solar itself. It depends on the system size and the system design. When you have the right system size and system design, your solar system can actually handle any kind of load you want it to power. Just for example, that you don't expect your 1 kilowatt inverter to handle heavy load. Your 1 kilowatt inverter can handle heavy load. But when you have between 20 to 30 kilowatt inverter system, it can be able to handle some heavy loads, provided it is properly designed. So this misconception that solar energy can't handle heavy load is actually false. Number 3 misconception is that keeping your batteries on a concrete floor or tiles drains the battery. This misconception originated from the early battery designs, when batteries are made with wooden cases. At that time, concrete floors can absorb moisture, create small leakage paths, and also drains the battery slowly. But in modern battery technology, most modern batteries like AGM batteries, gel batteries, flooded lead acid batteries, and even lithium batteries comes with plastic or insulated casing, which is not affected by concrete floors or tiles. Concrete floors is usually cold, and cold temperature doesn't affect batteries compared to high temperature. What affects battery the most is high temperature. High temperature drains battery or even degrades battery faster. So the misconception of keeping batteries on a concrete floor or tiles drains your battery is false. Number 4 misconception is that solar panels produces more power when the sun is very hot. This misconception looks logical, but it is opposite of the reality. Just like I said earlier that solar panels convert light into electricity, not heat. And most solar panels has temperature coefficient of 25 degrees Celsius, which means that any temperature above 25 degrees Celsius, the solar panels loses between 0.3 to 0.5% efficiency. When the sun is bright and very hot, the solar panel voltage drops and the efficiency of the solar panels decreases. Solar panels actually prefer bright sunlight at cold temperature. That's why most solar panels produce their maximum power when there is bright sunlight at early morning hours when the temperature is still cool. So the misconception that solar panels produce more power when the sun is very hot is false. Number 5 misconception is that you can combine batteries of different brands and age, provided they have the same voltage. This misconception is false. Even batteries of the same voltage can have different capacity, internal resistance, chemical composition, specific gravity, and age. Therefore, combining batteries of different age and brand is very dangerous because it causes your battery to experience uneven charging. Newer batteries will be stressed by older ones, and weaker batteries draws down the output of the whole battery bank. And also, weaker batteries shortens the lifespan of the entire battery bank. So the misconception that you can combine batteries of different age and brand provided that they are of the same voltage is very wrong, and you shouldn't believe that. If you find this video useful, do well to like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Turn on your notification button so you'll be notified when I release new videos. See you in the next video.